Hi, my name is Guy, and today I'll be showing you how you could create a Discord bot for free, no issues, no code, and we'll be doing it with Scratch for Discord and Replit and also the Discord's developer portals, all the links in the description. So this is going to be easy and simple, and this is going to be like a no code tutorial, just a Scratch, a simple code with Scratch for Discord. What Scratch for Discord is, it's just Scratch. It's a Scratch, but it's for Discord, and you could create bots using this. And yeah, that's the only thing you could do on the Scratch for Discord site. So this is going to be the first link in the description. There's not going to be any code. Like usually we create bots using Python and JavaScript or something, but I'm not going to be using that. But we will be using JavaScript on Replit.com. Also, the third link in the description. So let's start. I will be creating this bot just to command a ping pong type of game. So first, let's go into base and use this connect to Discord with the token. So this token is your boot token. It allows you to run the bot. So let's get our token. For that, go into the second link in the description. It is the developers.com developers application, and it will be here in the application set. Now I have created 3 bots already, so I'll be clicking on new application, and you can name this whatever you want. I'm gonna name it my bot. And let's create. So now we have created my bot. I'm not going to be choosing any icons, and yeah, I won't be like making this an official bot for my server. And also go check out my Discord server in the I think first link or last link in the description. So first, let's go into bot, and let's add our bot. So yes, do it, and then a wild bot has appeared, and our bot is here. And as you can see, we can get the token right here. So let's copy the token. Let's go into Scratch for Discord, and let's change the bot token, and change it into this. And now we can actually code it. So there's nothing you need to do here yet. First, you need to go into messages, choose this reply, and then go into logic and choose the if do statement and this. Let's also add when message is received, if this, and then reply hey. Now let's go into where is that? Okay, choose the message content. I'll drag it out and add it in the first column in the equals statement. Then go into logic and choose not logic, text, and choose duplicate this one for the reply one, and one for this column right here. Add it into pink. I'm just gonna make it pink, capital pink with the exclamation, and then pong, and the bot's gonna reply pong. So now we have that. Let's download it. So let's first change the name of this bot, change it the bot, and let's download that. and now we have downloaded it. Now I'll be changing this into, okay, so let's actually extract it into my downloads page and click on OK. You could also put it into a folder, that's more easier, but I'm just gonna do it like that. And then go into your Discord developer portal and let's edit some of this. But before that, let's actually add some type of cool gifts. I'm just gonna choose a gift for this guy, maybe this. Let's save the image. Okay, now that's an image. Can I download the GIF? Okay, wait. Download this GIF. I have downloaded the GIF. I'm just making this just to make it look a bit cool. Go into downloads. Let's use this. Oh no, wait. I think I can do that. I'm just gonna choose this. Save changes. I'm just gonna choose this astronaut guy I downloaded earlier. And let's go into auth2, and then this is how we'll be making the bot speak. So click on bot and click send messages and copy this link right here. Open the link and we are here. So now let's connect it into my server. So I'll be connecting it into my server right here. Let's continue, send messages and authorize, and I am human. Let's do that. And as you can see in Discord, we have my bot. So now we have that. We have finally made the bot into our server. Now let's actually code it. So now we'll go into the third link in the description, that is Replit, and choose the node.js. This is also the JavaScript we'll be using, JS, JavaScript, and name it the bot. You can name it anything. And if you have the paid edition, you'll be, the bot. And if you have the paid edition, you can choose the private. So we could private it, the code, but I don't have that, so I'm just gonna click public. And we have our, this is taking some time. Now, first of all, this is the page. It could come in black color as well. You could change it. But first, let's delete the index.js file. And then right here on the three dots, upload file. And let's upload the files we have downloaded. So that is this, right? Yeah, it is. So let's then open, and we are choosing all of these files. Now let's add folder and call it the bot. And in this, let's add the blocks XML, and then move out. Oh no, we don't need that. Let's delete those files. Then, yeah, we're done. But if you have done it in the folder is gonna look something like this. Drag out the Replit and bot.js first, then drag out the package file. Now I think that is done. Let's run all of our code. And it's downloading the packages, and we have our Discord bot fully set. Let's go into Discord, so like that. And as you can see, we have my bot online, let's make this give this a bot role, and then in the ping pong, let's type in pink, and it should come. But it does take some time because it's gonna reload, and yeah, that happens. But when it comes, I will see you guys then. Okay, so as you can see, my bot has said Pong, so if we type in ping again, it's gonna say Pong, and we have finally made our bot. It was pretty simple and easy, and I actually hope you enjoy. If you did, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in next video. Peace.